Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bloodtrail on Quest 3. First, make sure your Quest 3 headset is fully charged and running the latest software. A stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for a smooth experience, especially when downloading the game. Head over to the Meta Quest store directly from your headset. You will find Bloodtrail available for purchase there, typically costing around $25 to $30. Once purchased, the game will begin downloading automatically. After purchasing, Bloodtrail will start downloading and installing. This process can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on your internet speed and the game's current size, which is usually several gigabytes. Once installation is complete, you will find the Bloodtrail icon in your Quest 3's app library. Simply select the icon to launch the game. Prepare yourself for an intense and engaging virtual reality adventure as the game loads. Navigating Bloodtrail is intuitive once you understand the basic controls. Your left controller's joystick handles all movement, allowing you to walk or run through the environments. The right joystick is for turning, giving you full control over your perspective. To interact with the world, like picking up weapons or opening doors, use the trigger and grip buttons on both controllers. Accessing your inventory, or the game menu, is typically done with a quick press of the B or Y button on your right controller, allowing you to manage your gear. To truly optimize your Bloodtrail experience, consider a few key tips. First, ensure you have at least a 6-foot by 6-foot play space clear of obstacles for safe movement. Experiment with the in-game settings. Adjusting graphics quality or comfort options can significantly enhance your immersion and reduce potential motion sickness. Remember to take regular breaks, perhaps every 30 to 45 minutes, to rest your eyes and prevent fatigue. This will help you stay immersed and enjoy the intense action for longer periods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.